I don't know about you, but I personally hate it when people go, well, why should I promote? It's just ludicrous to me. My name is Heather Roberts.
I'm Josh Roberts.
And we are the co-founders of RSG Sales. We work with home decor and furniture suppliers and help them grow their e-commerce sales business. So this is actually a question that we both get quite a lot, and it drives me nuts because to me, it's like as simple as ABC. It's just basic. So we thought we would kind of basically come up with 5 reasons that why you should promote your products. The first of which, I'm just going to run through them real quick and then we can dive into them a little bit more.
Yep.
So the first one is elemental. It increases your sales. Second reason is you drive traffic to your SKUs. Third is about reviews. Fourth is the old algorithm. And fifth is that you need to have that long-term growth so that you can build your business organically. So Josh, I don't think we need to talk about increased sales. Do you? I mean,
you want to promote during 6 major holidays. That's a great way to increase sales.
Okay, so there we go. And then talk a little bit about the driving traffic portion.
Well, one of the things you want to do is you want to drive traffic to the items because what that is going to do is it's going to give you clicks. And even if you don't necessarily generate a sale, that click in and of itself will help boost the item and future product searches.
In other words, that's where the old algorithm comes into play.
Yep, for sure.
So increased clicks means increase and up you go in the algorithm.
Absolutely. And then every algorithm is driven by reviews.
There we go.
And you can't get reviews if you don't have
sales.
Right.
And the fastest way to get sales is to
promote.
There we go. All right, y'all. So this was a short and sweet video to really kind of drive home the point of why you need to promote. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, then I would love it if you would click the link below and we can schedule a time to help you do your promotions. All right, bye y'all.